You're out, all the fishing buddies. We've come to one canal today, try and get Caroline a big perch. I've had a few big perch in the last few days, so Caroline's here. So we'd like to thank everybody. Thanks.
Thank you everybody. We've got over 100 subscribers.
Yeah.
So we're going to be doing a bit of a giveaway like we promised. Keep watching, and at the end we'll tell you what to do.
Don't forget, guys, you're not subscribers, you're now fishing buddies. Don't forget to hit the button, and thanks ever so much. And we'll give you a code word to be in the chance to be able to win a prize, and you got to give a thumbs up on the code word. Hope one of you wins. Take care. Caroline's mixing up ground bait. What we're using? What we're using today, Caroline?
Mouldy stotty cake from South Shields.
We've had that in freezer.
Then I took it out and it was really hot yesterday, so it's gone nasty.
So we're going to show people what you're doing. Just put some water in the bottom of the bucket.
Don't really matter if you crumble it up, you get your hands in anyway. Well, I do. It's all nice and soft. Nice and squishy.
Let's add more water in there, Baba.
I don't know yet. I'll put this in first. It's warm.
It is warm.
I shall do this, and then I shall get the professional to assess the situation.
That won't look too bad.
Sadly, Andy May isn't here, so I will have to ask Paul. Would you like to assess my bread?
Spot on. Well done.
Thank you.
Right, so we're on fishing up maggot. About a pint of casters in there. Some nice worms. So that's what bait we're using. Right, what I'm doing before I tackle up, I'm going to get 3 or 4 decent sized balls.
Look,
Far bank.
I think you should do 100 because you've got over 100 subscribers.
Yeah, they're not catch out for a week. Couple of things. 2 sides.
You can see it breaking up. Can you see it?
Yeah, brilliant. Clouding up as well.
I'd really
Tackling
like.
up, and then what I'll do, I'll put some in the bait pot on my pole and carry on. So, thank you. Caroline's got a decent fish on.
Uh-oh.
Right, lift your rod up, stop reeling.
Oh,
Lift your rod up. Lift your rod up. Big bream. Size that bream. Big bream. You've had a big bream before. Not as big as that though. Lift your rod up a little bit. Bring him to the net. Try and do this one-handed. Now, bring the bream to the net. Got him. Well done, look. Well done. Get him in the net. Yep, got it. First stop a second. Well done, Caroline. She's had a nice bream, about 2.5 pounds. Let's take a photo. Alright, looks like Caroline's having loads of luck. We've just sat through a thunderstorm. Phil's just turned up. And she's just hooked into a really nice sized bream. Can you get the hook out? Barbless, yeah, it should pop out. Should pop out, she's struggling.
He's just got a very, very big mouth.
Can you give it, love?
Yeah, I just don't want to hurt him.
Alright.
I think.
Yeah, just you got to do, cuz. Just take your time, but you get out.
You got it?
Yeah, tilt it back and push up.
There we go.
Right, well done. Move the hook out away. Right. Hang on, there's a line there.
That's a Boston, that is.
Wow.
Right.
Keep it low to the ground because
Yeah.
that's a cork.
Don't drop him, Caroline.
Okay,
Don't drop him back in water.
Yeah.
We'll get a picture of him. Wow, Caroline, that is bigger than mine. Well done, love. Well done.
That's mint, that
Put
is.
him in landing net. We'll
you got a
get him keeping
picture?
it. I will after when we finish.
Okay.
Well done. Well done.
Right, in there.
That is Caroline weighing the fish up. That bream.
5.46 pounds.
5.46. Well done, love.
Start video recording.
Okay. Hi everyone. My bream.
Mine's £4 too.
5.46. Thanks Phil for helping me get it
I
in.
should add another one, but we're not going to weigh him. We're going to get him back in.
Get in the water.
Thank you, Phil.
Bye guys.
Thank you.
Get quick.
Right guys, I'm fishing today on one at canals. I've got caster, fishing with caster at the bottom. I'm going over with, oh sorry mate, I'm going over with double red maggot on pole and brother gimmer. Look at the size of that for the perch. That's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Well over £2. I don't think it's my PB, it's got a right gut on him. But I don't think it's been my PB. Absolutely beautiful. Good catch, well mate. We meet up with Phil, but I've met up with me, so just going out on at canals. Come for an hour and a half fishing, and lo and behold, I've had a birthday. Salt fish. I'm going to try and get some pictures of these if I can. I've got all the little ones put back in, but get it, mate. Want a big perch? Come on. It's an albino. Like an albino perch, that one. There's a red fin in here. Red fins on that. Sorry, mate. It's about £1.5. Smaller perch can go back in. Lovely skimmers. So yeah, had a brilliant day. A small skimmer. So a little small ones go back in. And we get some pictures of big ones. Right everybody, it's absolutely bouncing it down. I'm on one at canals and I've had to wait for about an hour for it rain just to start covering and calming down a bit. Just have that bream. Lovely bream. Just from the £4 he is. So proper happy with that. I'll pack up and get off. It's absolutely nailing it down. And I've got no brolly, so can't keep them out for long. There we go. You're out there with fishing buddies. We're going to have the prize giveaway. We've just got back from fishing. Caroline's still got a big grin on her face from smashing mine and Phil's backside. She's proper whooped us. She's done really well, caught some decent sized bream and some other bits and bobs. Terrible weather, absolute terrible weather, well worth getting wet through. I'm still got my waders on driving home for nearly an hour, over an hour. Let's just chuck everything in the car and let's get ourselves off. So Caroline's going to talk you through now to how you're going to be within a chance of winning the prize giveaway. So put it over to Caroline.
Right, fishing buddies, all you need to do, have a look at the video, thumbs up or a heart, whichever you feel the need. The weight, I want you to put the weight in the comment box below, and then we will put all of your names in a hat and we will draw it this time next week.
The weight of?
My biggest fish.
Your biggest?
Bream.
Well done. Yes.
I was going to say put the name of the fish. Give you a clue, it's over £3, it's under 10. It's the only clue I'm going to give you. So comments, thumbs up or a heart, comments, the weight of my fish. Good luck to you all and thank you so much.
Good luck, thank you everybody. Thank you, take care.
Bye.
So thank you ever so much everybody for watching the videos. Thanks for your support. If you want to become a fishing buddy, hit the button below and becoming a fishing buddy. Every 100 subscribers, we will be having a prize giveaway. Thanks ever so much for watching. Thank you.